Welcome to Big Wheels Repair, your one-stop solution for all your truck and trailer repair needs, both in shop and on the roadside. Located in the heart of Gainesville, Georgia, we are committed to keeping your vehicles running smoothly and efficiently. At Big Wheels Repair, our experienced team of mechanics provide top-notch in-shop services. Whether it's routine maintenance or complex repairs, we've got you covered. Our in-shop truck repair services include EGR cleaning and repair, diesel engine diagnostics and repair, transmission repair, clutch repair and replacement, driveline repair, diesel engine maintenance, electrical repair, battery services, no starts, compressed air systems, air brakes, lines, hoses, and fittings, radiator repair, coolant system repair, fuel system repair, suspension repair, drivetrain repair, brake repair, and many more. And for trailers, our in-shop services include trailer brake controller diagnostics and repairs, air system failures, air hose leaks, brake inspections and repairs, overheating brake drums, wheel hub issues, axle damage, U-bolt tightening and replacement, electrical system diagnostics and repairs, trailer lighting malfunctions, sensor diagnostics and replacements, reflector or marker light replacement, power distribution diagnostics and repairs, door and latch repairs, landing gear issues, trailer frame inspections and minor repairs, loose or damaged skirting, rust treatment and corrosion prevention, trailer roof repair, floor repair, coupler repair, cargo securement problems, hydraulic systems repair, minor hydraulic system leaks, tire blowouts, wheel bearing replacements, tire rotations and replacements, flat tire repair, no start conditions for refrigerated trailers, battery replacement for lift gates, and many more. But that's not all. We also offer comprehensive roadside assistance to get you back on the road quickly and safely. At Big Wheels Repair, we pride ourselves on providing exceptional service, whether it's in shop or on the road. Our goal is to minimize your downtime and keep your vehicles running at their best. Whether you need routine maintenance, complex repairs, or emergency roadside assistance, contact Big Wheels Repair today. Visit us in Gainesville, Georgia on 1408 Jag Drive, or call us at 470-310-6823 to schedule an appointment. Let us take care of your truck and trailer repair needs. Big Wheels Repair, keeping you on the road, safely and efficiently.